Hi, I'm Andy, your Southern England area sales manager from Just One Source. You might also know us as Pred Workwear Gloves, Predator by Ron. Today, I'm excited to introduce to you one of our 3 new coated gloves that will take our range to the next level. Introducing Pred Delta, a PU palm coated glove. The Pred Delta is cut level D, so it's perfect for handling metal, timber and abrasive materials on building and construction sites, for example. The dexterous gloves feature a black polyurethane PU coating on a 13 gauge green spandex liner, scoring an impressive 4x42D on the EN388 mechanical handling tests. So, in a nutshell, you get cut level D resistance, high abrasion, tear resistance and a PU palm coating for excellent grip. It's colour coded for your convenience and the spandex liner gives you breathability. But guess what? There's more. The Pred Delta is just the beginning. Keep an eye out for the Pred Sigma and the Pred Graphite. Coming soon. All our gloves now come on a cardboard header with a QR for your convenience for the data sheets. They're also packed in cardboard banding to help reduce plastic waste. So, for more details, don't hesitate. Please reach out to your area sales manager and request a sample and further details. We're here to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Pred Workwear Gloves, where affordability meets uncompromising quality. Get in touch with us now and start feeling the difference with Pred Workwear Gloves and Just One Source, where quality is remembered